In this video, we will learn what we mean by programming style and how to use it to improve your coding style. Programming style refers to the way a program is arranged in the IDE's editor. When a Java compiler starts compiling a program, it treats the whole program as a single line. The compiler doesn't care about the layout of your code or the spaces between the operators, variables, and literals. The following is an excellent way to visualize how the Java compiler sees the code as it compiles. For us humans, however, this is very hard to read, and it takes significant effort to parse it and understand the code. A better way for us humans to see this code is to use vertical white spaces using empty lines or horizontal spaces using indentations. This way we can easily read it and understand it. As you write your code, you are encouraged and expected to follow some rules for good programming style.